Daddy, will you tell me a story tonight?
Of course, my little one. Tonight, I'll tell you a story that has been told for thousands of years.
A story where faith was stronger than fear, and even death had to bow its head. Listen carefully.
Long ago, in a quiet forest hermitage, lived an old sage named Rishi Mrikandu and his wife Marudmati. They had knowledge, peace, and devotion, but one sorrow stayed in their hearts. Their home was silent. There was no child to call them mother and father. Every day, they prayed to Lord Shiva, not for wealth, not for power, only for a child. Years passed. Their hair turned white. Still, their prayers did not weaken. One day, Mahadev listened. The forest became still, and Lord Shiva appeared before them, calm and compassionate. Shiva said, "I will bless you with a son, but you must choose." The couple bowed in devotion. One son may live long, but without wisdom, Shiva said, the other will live only 16 years, but he will be pure, wise, and deeply devoted. Without hesitation, the couple replied, "Give us the child who belongs to you, Mahadev. Even if his life is short." Shiva smiled, the smile that holds the universe. So be it. Soon, a radiant boy was born. They named him Markandeya. From the time he could speak, Shiva's name lived on his lips. From the time he could walk, he walked toward the Shiva Lingam. He grew gentle, fearless, and full of devotion. But destiny moves quietly. As Markandeya approached his 16th year, his parents grew sorrowful. When they told him the truth, the boy did not cry. Instead, he smiled and said, "Why should I fear death when Mahadev is with me?" On the night death was destined to come, Markandeya went to the Shiva Lingam. He wrapped his arms around it tightly, as if holding Mahadev himself, and he began to chant. Slowly, steadily, with complete surrender. Om Trambakam Yajamhe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshya Mamritat. This was not just a mantra. It was his faith. At that moment, Yam, the god of death, arrived. He threw his noose, but the noose touched both the boy and the Shiva Lingam. When Shiva appeared, the earth trembled. The Shiva Lingam split open, and Lord Shiva emerged as Mrityunjaya, the conqueror of death. His eyes were fierce, yet full of compassion. With divine authority, Shiva stopped Yam. For a moment, death itself stood still. No soul could leave the body. The universe waited. The gods rushed and prayed to Shiva to restore balance. Mahadev listened. Because he is not only power, he is dharma. Shiva revived Yam, but then turned to the boy still holding the lingam. Placing his hand on Markandeya's head, Shiva said, "Death shall have no power over you. You who surrendered without fear have already crossed death." Markandeya became Chiranjeevi, immortal.
This, my child, is why we chant the Mahamrityunjaya mantra. Not to escape death, but to escape the fear of it.
Daddy, will Shiva protect me too?
Always, my little one.
When you remember him with a pure heart, Mahadev is never far. Now sleep. Shiva is watching over you.